Okay, this will be a super quick video. This is a truck that's being sold as is. It has a bad lifter. It does not have blow-by, but it's just not something that I'm comfortable patching to fix and then selling to a customer. And quite frankly, the other route is just far too expensive. But someone could very easily cam slap lifter this and put the lifter in the motor and have a totally decent truck. So this truck is a 2000, I think it's a 05 Lariat. The cylinder number 6 is the cylinder in question. As you can see, no blow-by whatsoever. The motor shakes, so it's falling off, but there's no actual blow-by. Interior has key marks on the door. I think that for the most part, they could potentially buff out with someone who's skilled. Interior's okay. It's got airbags. These Lariat things are like peeling, so it needs a little bit of love. Has the heated seats, power seats. Only check engine code it has is that cylinder 6 contribution balance code, which again is due to the collapsed lifter. But yeah, it's a decent truck. It drives fine, other than obviously having a pretty bad miss. Clean title. It only has 168,000 miles on it. It's got clear coat fade on the hood and on the roof. Arizona, whoa, it was an Arizona truck. I do have the door key code for it. Yeah, 168,957. Air conditioning works. Heater works. I believe the steering wheel controls work. Yep, they do. Let's see if 4-wheel drive engages. Yeah. 4-wheel drive works. But yeah, this is the truck, okay? $7,000 for this truck, as is, okay? We can talk about shipping. We can talk about, other options with it. If you're interested in the truck, few repairs, you'll have yourself a really, really nice truck. Honestly, like you could be in this truck just over probably 10 grand and have a nice runner. So yeah, 7,000 as is. Come and get it.